At Ferguson Builders, on one frosty night, a vision was born in the warm office light. It wouldn't be store-bought, no pre-made design. This ginger edition would be one of a kind. Through expert design, the vision took form, an edible masterpiece, cozy and warm. Frosting trims chosen and sprinkles to pair, every detail is planned with precision and care. The framing created with a steady hand, making quite sure that the structure would stand. From frosting foundations to peppermint halls, the team's touch of magic completed it all. The design-baked journey is nearing its end, with a custom edition for our gingerbread friend. Christmas, the deadline our schedule has shown, the gingerbread house, soon a gingerbread home.